I'm gonna do a bike check. My 2013 Premium Spire just got today. So yeah, and that's stuff for RCs, because if I do RCs, we'll used to. But get the starting from top to bottom. Got the premium grips. Brake system is a Texturo brake system. Bars are the premium bars. I believe they're premium. I don't know, but they're still, I like them. They're good. They're 8.5 rise. I believe they're 28 wide or 29. I believe they're 28 or 27 wide, somewhere around there. You got the premium sub 10 V2 stem. Moving down a bit, you got the premium forks that are tapered. Let's see, you got the Chad Curley tires, CK tires, which the front is a 20.240 or 20.240. But then you got the premium hub with some alienation deviant rims. And the premium spire frame. Pedals are the premium slim pedals. They're okay. If you get this bike, I would really recommend one thing to change pretty soon, which would be the pedals. They're not that good. I broke a peg off, as you can see right there. I broke the peg off. The cranks are the premium 1948 cranks. Seat is just a premium seat, I believe. I don't really know what it is. You got the KMC half link. God, sorry guys. Sorry, but the back tire is a Chad Curley tire again, but it is a 20.220 or 20.220. But they got that. I believe they're alienation rims. I don't know. I'll tell you some specs real quick about it. The bars are, like I was saying, I told you the specs on that. The frames are 21-inch. Cranks are 175. 25 tooth sprocket, 9 tooth driver. Yeah, that's about it. And the stem is I believe it's a 53mm. I could be wrong, but yeah. Either way, I love this bike. It's amazing. Yeah, see ya.